Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you step by step how to use Odoo CRM even if you are a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial you will know how to manage your leads, track opportunities and organize your sales pipeline inside Odoo. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first of all, you just need to be understand what actually is Odoo CRM. So Odoo CRM is a part of a large Odoo suite. It is a simple yet powerful tool for managing your customer and sales process. You can use it to collect and manage leads, track your sales opportunity, organize your pipeline visually, schedule meeting and activities, and measure your sales performance. So it's perfect for freelancer, small businesses or growing teams. So now here, once you come over here onto the odoo.com, if you don't have account yet, you just need to be create an account, or if you have an account you just need to log in here and you can get a free trial to test all the features on Odoo. Once you are in your dashboard, you just need to be click over here in any apps. Like as you can see, we are already in our account. Here you just need to be click over here apps, just click through these apps, and here you are allowed to access all these apps from that place. So just click to the apps and install CRM if it is not installed already. So I will find it out the CRM and let's click to this one. Here under the cells you will find out CRM. Just click over here. Once you click over here, now here you can see there's the options. We have free forever and unlimited users. I am going to click on start now. It's completely free. Just click over here. Once I click over here, then Odoo online tutorial will create an CRM for us, so you can change the app selection from that place. So I'm going to give a name that will be We Are Digital, and then I will eventually click on start now. Once I click over here, just click through this one, and here you can see welcome to Odoo, our CRM creation has been done. So here you can see how easy the process was to create the CRM, and now we are able to do. So here you can see they are telling us to activate our email address. So where I will visit my email address in the mailbox, and here you can actually see that we already get an activation link. Just click to the activate to our database, and then you will can use this CRM for your business. So here they are telling us to invite our colleagues. So I will click to the escape, and here you can see we are digital.odoo.com is complete. So now we can start our work. So just click to the, like here you can see when I hover to CRM, they are telling us and message that's ready to boost your sales. Let's have a look at your pipeline. Just click over here, and here you can see create an opportunity to start playing with your pipeline. The main screen you will see your sales pipeline. It is organized client like. Here you can see the new, then qualified, proportions, and then the last one is on. Each lead or deals is shown as a card that you can drag and drop through the steps. This makes it super visual and easy to see where every opportunity is in your sales process. So now create an opportunity to start playing with the pipeline. So now I am going to create an opportunity for me. So I will click to the new. Once I click over here, then I will provide the name of my business. So I will provide this one. Then here you just need to provide a company name. Again, let's try to do it, and just select this one, then click to the contact, just click create, and from that place I think just click this one. Okay, let's start from the scratch. That will be the Jifa. This is one of the one, and then click to the create, then provide a number 01761756144. This is the number. Then here I am going to give the name, opportunity name is sales caps, then contact email Jifa at info@jifa.com. Then you can provide any contact number, or you can leave it this way. Just click to the add, and it already been added here. So here you can see now you can play with this one. You can make it, place it here, you can place it that place, you can place it here also. Now you can say congrats, your first deal is done. So in this way you can easily do your things with this lead. So now we are going to talk about how you can add a new lead or opportunity. So let's add our first lead. You just need to click create at the top left. Here you can see this is the top left new, and a new card will pop up where you just need to be add company name, opportunity name like website design, project, add customer name, then expected revenue and close date. And if you have done, you can assign the leads to a sales rep. If you are working with a team, you just need to click add. Your opportunity will now appear in the first column. So drag it another step as you make the progress. Now we are doing schedule activities and follow-up. So how we can do it? To manage your sales efficiency, you will want to schedule follow-ups. Like click on any opportunity card. Let's click this one, and the card, the opportunity card, to open its details. On the right you will see next activities. In here you can see this is the next activities. Here just click over here activity, you will find out this one. To click schedule activity, choose an activity type like call, email, meeting or to do. Just click over here, and here I am going to choose this one will be and to do. Then click or like add a summary date or any extra things you want. So I'm going to add this one to this one, it will be 2. Then click to, you can add a log note if it is necessary for you, like you can add the summary date and any extra notes. And then you just need to click to the save. Once you click over here, your activity has been saved perfectly. Now you will never forget to follow up. So this is the easiest way. Now we are going to talk about use filters and reports. As you get more leads, Odoo CRM make it easy to filter and track performance. Like you can use the filters and group by buttons at the top to view leads by salesperson, company, stage or date. You just need to click the reporting. Let's come back to CRM and just click to the CRM, and here you have these all things. You just need to be explore it. Here you can see this is the list, this is the date, this is the pivot, and this is the graph. Then we have this map and also activity. So I will click over that place, and here you will find out this reporting options. In the top here you will find out the forecast and many things. Like it is so much easy. And top menu to sales group and performance metric to see. You can view deals by stage, revenue, forecast and more. So now if you want to customize your pipeline, you can do it. You can also customize the pipeline stage to match your business. You just need to click the gear icon next to the pipeline stage. Here you can see we have this gear icon. Just click over here. You can create automation rules and many things you will find out here. Like here you can see the pipeline, and after this we have this gear icon. You just need to click over here next to the pipeline to add a new stage, rename the theme. Like here you just add options like export all, import things and many things. So you can do your customization with this one. So let's wrap up the video here, and that's it. Now you know how to use Odoo CRM step by step. If this tutorial helped you, please give it thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the bell for more Odoo and business software tutorials every week. Got question about Odoo CRM? Drop them into the comments. I will always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.